Everyone is talking about AI agents, but here is the thing most people are confusing them with: ChatGPT, automation workflows, or simple AI integrations. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what makes an AI agent truly agentic using real n8n examples and why this distinction matters for your business automation strategy. By the end of this video, you will understand three major things. Number one, the crucial differences between ChatGPT, normal automation workflows, AI workflows, and true AI agents. Second, the three key characteristics that make an AI system truly agentic. And the third one, when to use each one of them. So let's dive right in. Hi, I'm Anish Rastogi, and today I'm going to show you what AI agent actually is. For that, firstly see what AI agents are not, to clear out all this confusion. Think of it like this. Okay, let's go one by one. Let's take ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini or Perplexity. These are actually reactive. You ask, it answers, conversation ends. Simple. Okay, so it's like having a smart kind of assistant who only responds when you tap them on the shoulder. And when after they respond, they go away. Okay, the second one, the traditional automation workflow. Traditional automation workflow or workflow automation follows a predefined workflow. If this happens, do that. They always work in the same way. So in n8n or Make or Zapit, this may look like this. Okay, so new email arrives, extract data, update the spreadsheet, send notification on Slack. No thinking, no adaptation, just execution of all the steps one by one. Then comes the AI enhanced workflow. So AI workflow use AI tool as one of the tool within the automation workflow. For example, new support ticket arrives, AI categorizes it, routes to the correct department, then updates the CRM. So the AI is helping here, but the workflow is still predetermined. But an AI agent, that's just specialized virtual employee working independently and autonomously. Think of it as someone who can make decisions based on the changing situations, use multiple tools to accomplish goals, remember previous interactions and any kind of context, take action without any constant supervision. So there are basically three pillars to AI agent that makes it truly agent. Okay, so the pillar number one is they have a decision-making power. So they don't just answer questions, they decide what to do next based on the situation or any other current variable. Pillar number two is they have a tool success. So unlike ChatGPT, agents can actually do things, and you know why? Because they have the tools. Pillar number three is they have memory. So your AI agent does not just remember the conversation, they can refer back to the previous mentioned things in the conversation. So let's see n8n what it means in action. So let's go to the screen and see all these things one by one. Okay, so this is a traditional workflow. So this workflow we created for video scheduling on YouTube. Okay, so I will just walk you through this and to help you understand what is happening and why this is a traditional workflow. Okay, so here if you see, we're getting the data through webhook. Okay, we're getting the data for PD. Then it is getting saved into a few variables. Then it is searching the video on Google Drive, downloading the beat, then it is uploading on YouTube, then it is updating the sheet, one of the sheets where we have the data for all the videos. Okay, so it is updating to upload it. Then it is searching on Google Drive whether the folder exists or not. Then if the folder exists, then it is moving the video to that particular folder. If it doesn't exist, it is creating the folder and then moving the file. If you see, this is a completely there's not any AI tool being used here. So this is a normal traditional workflow. All the things are moving step by step. It is not taking the decision by itself. It is moving step by step, and there is not any AI tool used here. Okay. Okay. So if you see here, so this is a AI based workflow. The reason being that we are using the AI nodes here. Okay. So this is a workflow. This is why this is not an AI agent is because it is still going step by step. It is not taking the decision by itself. If you see here, it is a video analysis workflow. So we are getting the video through a form, data of the video through a form. Okay, then we are uploading that particular file on Google Drive and downloading it. So there is a reason we are doing it, but yeah. So we are downloading the file. Then we are analyzing the video, getting the transcript through Gemini node. Okay, then we are getting the description of the video through an Anthropic Claude node. Then we are getting a title of the video, and we are basically appending it as a row in the particular sheet. Okay, so if you see here, so there are few of the AI nodes here, and that's why it is a AI based workflow. Okay, if we delete this particular part just to help you understand, and if had it been like this, it would have been a normal traditional workflow. Okay, but because we are using these AI nodes here, it can be, even if it is using one node, then it becomes an AI based workflow, but still not an AI agent. The reason being, as I said, we are going step by step, and it is not taking the decision by itself. Okay, so this is a simple AI agent, and this is a sales follow-up AI agent. So what it basically does is, so if let's say a sales rep is meeting somebody, or had a call or met somebody during the event, and he or she has the email ID, he can simply come here, type one or two lines what he needs to send, he or she needs to send, and then a very good kind of email, a well structured email would be sent. And whatever conversation happened, it gets recorded in a Google Sheet. So that's what happens, okay, through this AI agent. Okay, so let me do one thing just to help you understand better. Let's say it can do only that. Okay, it will not be able to do anything else. Let's say I'm writing hello. Okay, so this is the agent, right? And it is taking the help of the chat model and taking a decision on what needs to be done. Okay, if you see here, hello, I am a professional email agent. I'm here to help you professional send emails. It will not be doing anything else. It is telling you what it can do. Okay, and let's say if you're asking who is the president of USA, let's say, so it is taking the help of the chat model here, if you see. And then see, I appreciate your question. However, I am specifically designed to help you with sales communication tasks, not anything else. Okay, so I will show you maybe. So let's say into the agent. So this is the system message, the complete prompt that we have written, and it is taking the help of the chat model here to take the decision. Okay, so it has a decision making power. Okay, now I will show you maybe the other pillars through by sending the email. Okay, so let's say send email to, let's say, ABC company.com that our meet all really good, and I would like to tell them about ourselves. Okay, so if you see here, the agent is taking the help of a chat model here, and then it has sent the email already. Okay, and then it is appending it in the Google Sheet, whatever the conversation happened, and you can see it here what happened. Okay, so it has taken the help of the chat model, then sent the email to the particular email ID. Then it is appended on the rows, and then it has again checked the chat model what else you need to do, and then just saved it in the memory. Okay, so let me show you what is the email it has sent and how it has recorded. It has been recorded in the Google Sheet. Okay, so if you see here that the email which it has sent. Okay, so hi there, I hope this email finds you well. I wanted to reach out and say how much I enjoyed the recent meeting. The conversation was really insightful. I was impressed by your team's vision and goals. I would love to schedule another meeting to dive deeper into how our services can specifically support your objectives. I believe we have some solutions that could be perfect for you, what you're looking to achieve. Okay, so it has sent the email by itself. Okay, and the next thing is it has also recorded, say, on 14th we have sent, right? So follow-up email up, positive meeting, requesting second meeting to discuss services in detail. Send follow-up email expressing appreciation for last meeting and requesting another meeting to present. So this is the action taken. So it is recording the conversation also. Okay, so what is happening is that it is taking the help of the chat model to take the decisions, and then it is taking the help of the tools to do all the actions. Okay, so and what is happening in the memory, and so let's say what is the last email you sent. Let's say it will check the memory and it will tell you what all happened. Okay, so here's the last email, and it is basically sending ABC had a great meeting. Let's continue the conversation, and that's what the conversation was about, right? So and then basically it is also if you see, it is basically showing as a HTML because we are basically generating the HTML only, but it will show the complete thing. Okay, there will follow up meeting request after positive previous meeting. So it is able to remember. So what generally happens with this kind of a thing is that, so let's go one by one, okay, maybe. So notice how the chat model in n8n is making multiple decisions in a single interaction. Okay, it's not just generating text responses, it's actively deciding which email template to use, like what tone to take, which tools to activate. That's decision making power, right? Now pillar number 2 we have talked about, right? The agent is not just telling you what email to send, it's actually composing the email, right? So sending it through the Gmail, and it automatically logging everything, the interaction in your spreadsheet as well. Okay, so you can connect endless tools. It's not about generating text, it's taking real actions across your business systems through the tools it has. Okay, and the third and most important thing is the memory. Okay, so this is huge, right? Your agent has memory through this simple memory component. So when you are having a conversation about multiple prospects or email types, the agent remembers the context instead of treating each message as isolated. It keeps track of what you have discussed during the conversation session. While this simple memory component provides session-based memory for the current conversation, it's the foundation that allows the agent to maintain rather than treating each message as completely isolated. And the more important thing here to check basically is that, so this is what the AI agent is, and these 3 pillars make the AI agent. Okay, so there you have it. So we have clearly distinguished between ChatGPT, which just answers questions, traditional automation workflow that follows a rigid kind of a workflow, then the AI enhanced workflow that uses AI as one of the helper tools in the workflow, and then the true AI agents that are like specialized virtual employees working completely independently. So AI agents are actually autonomous systems that can take decisions on their own, and most importantly take actions through the tools it has. This makes them a really powerful asset. So the companies building these kind of agentic systems now will have a massive competitive advantage in the future, while others are still stuck with basic kind of automation. So now you must be thinking, like, here's the thing, understanding AI-based workflows and agents is one of the things, but actually implementing them in your business is where most people and companies get stuck. So you might be thinking, this sounds great, but how do I actually build this system? How do I know which tools to use? How do I make sure my team actually adopts them? So let's see how we can help. Okay.
See, if you're comfortable staying stuck in day-to-day grind of your business, dealing with chaos, there's deadlines and working with 60+ hours a week, then stick with whatever you are doing. But if you're a serious business owner who wants to scale beyond yourself, you need systems that work without you. And here's exactly how we can help you in this. Firstly, we sit down and really understand how your work actually flows through your business. Then we help to optimize your daily work through tools. Our favorites are ClickUp, a work management tool, and n8n. It helps in both AI-powered automation and regular workflow automation as well. Also, we have the understanding of the popular AI tools in the market. We can also help to implement the system so that you become process-driven and not people-dependent. So what is the result? The result is you go from firefighting every day to actually running your business strategically. And in the long run, it helps to reduce your cost, save tons of time, and helps you to scale fast. If this is something that appeals to you, then check out the link in the description and set up the call with us. We would be happy to help you. And if you have learned something from this video and found some value in this, then subscribe for more insights. And until then, stay productive.